Welcome. Today we're going to troubleshoot unable to send fax issues on your Brother MFC-J5855DW.
This video will cover multiple models. Even though your machine may not match the model referred to on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Before getting started, please verify that you are not attempting to send a fax to a long-distance number without setting up long-distance phone service. We will begin by checking for dial tone. From the home screen, press the fax icon on the touchscreen. Now press hook and listen for dial tone. Press hook again to disconnect, then press the home key. If there is no dial tone, follow the link on the screen to learn how to troubleshoot for no dial tone issues. Otherwise, you'll need to change your machine's compatibility settings. Press Settings, then press All Settings. Now press the down arrow to reveal the Initial Setup option. Press Initial Setup. Arrow down again and press Compatibility. Then select the Basic option and press the Home key. Next, you'll need to send a test fax from your Brother machine to a known working fax number. Load a document face up in the automatic document feeder. Next, press the fax icon on the touchscreen and enter a working fax number. Press Fax Start. If the fax is sent successfully, then the issue is resolved. If not, disconnect the phone cord from your machine and verify that you are using a 2-wire phone cord. If you're using a 4-wire cord, replace it with a 2-wire cord like the one supplied with your machine. Send another test fax. If the fax is sent successfully, then the issue is resolved. If not, locate a jack to a separate telephone line with a different telephone number. Using a known good 2-wire phone cord, send the fax again. If the fax is sent successfully, then the issue is with the original phone line. Please contact your telephone service provider for additional assistance. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.